Hello everyone, this is V from Saraswati Classes, Narol, Ahmedabad. Friends, as we know that the probability chapter is going on, and in previous lectures we have discussed some kind of questions. Now today I am over here with a new question for you regarding probability. This is a kind of question that has something odd than normal questions. This is a question of area. Normally, so what happen? When students are not aware regarding these kind of questions, board examiner are asking such kind of questions, which can make students more puzzled. Even they can't understand how to solve these kind of questions on a probability concept. So I am here with you for the same kind of question. Say what is given over here. You have given a drawing in which you have given a length that is 3, a width that is 2, and in that rectangular form you have given a circle which have a diameter of 1 meter. So everyone knows that if diameter is equal to 1, the radius will be half of diameter. So that will be 1 upon 2. We'll see later on, but this is just the basic concept of diameter. The question is given over here. Suppose you drop a die at random on the rectangular region. This is a rectangular region. इस आयत के जो एरिया है, जो क्षेत्रफल है, उस रेक्टेंगुलर रीजन में आप क्या कर रहे हो? एक डाई थ्रो कर रहे हो. What is the probability that it will land inside the circle? Now see, you have an open space. This is an open space. This is an open space. But what they are asking you? They are asking you कि आप जो डाई फेंकोगे, वो डाई रेक्टेंगुलर के अंदर जो सर्कल है, उसके अंदर ही गिरेगी. उसकी क्या करनी है? आपको प्रोबेबिलिटी फाइंड करनी है. अब इस तरह क्वेश्चन जब बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशंस में आ जाता है, the students may be puzzled. Not students, even sometimes teachers also may puzzled. Now you can see your area of rectangular is known as total outcomes. How is it? Because it is bigger than this circle, and this circle falls under this rectangular region. So whatever the area of a rectangular, that is to be known as n. N means total number of results that can be gettable, that can be got after doing an experiment. And this area shows your favorable outcomes. When the die will fall on this circle, it will provide you favorable outcomes. Now how to calculate this kind of sum? See, I have done over here answer. First of all, we will calculate area of rectangle and area of circle. The sum is totally based upon these two things. Here area of a rectangular is the possible outcome. जो मैंने आपको पहले डिस्कस किया, जो रेक्टेंगुलर का जो फॉर्मूला होगा वो टोटल रिजल्ट्स होंगे, टोटल आउटकम्स होंगे ऑफ एन एक्सपेरिमेंट. व्हाइल द एरिया ऑफ अ सर्कल will be treated as favorable outcome. तो मैंने आपको सिंबॉलिक वैल्यू में पहले सिखाया हुआ है कि जब हम टोटल आउटकम की बात करते हैं तो उसे हम सिंबॉलिक वैल्यू में n कहते हैं, और जब फेवरेबल आउटकम की बात करते हैं तो हम उसे सिंबॉलिक वैल्यू में क्या कहते हैं? n. Is it okay? Fine. Now start your questions. You have given, so the area of rectangular. First of all हम रेक्टेंगुलर जो फॉर्म आपको दिया हुआ उसका एरिया फाइंड करें. सो उसका फॉर्मूला होता है लेंथ इनटू ब्रेथ. यू हैव बोथ ऑफ थिंग्स. लेंथ भी है हमारे पास 3 और ब्रेथ भी है हमारे पास 2. तो मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 3 2 जा 6. व्हाई इज m square meter square? This is meter square because you have given this 3m and this is 2m. So when these 2 meters will multiply, it will convert into meter square. So got it? Now this is your total real outcome of a rectangular form. Now the area of a circle that can be calculated under as सर्कल का जो फॉर्मूला है दैट इज पाई आर स्क्वायर। आप पाई की वैल्यू स्टार्टिंग में भी रख सकते हो, हमने अभी भी रखी, बाद में रख लेंगे, कोई इशू नहीं है। पाई इंटू आर, आर मीन्स रेडियस, रेडियस कहाँ से मिलेगा, तो आपको क्वेश्चन में एक हिंट दिया हुआ है डायामीटर। सो डायामीटर है तो रेडियस मिल जाएगा और रेडियस है तो डायामीटर मिल जाएगा, जैसे जिसकी रिक्वायरमेंट है। तो हमने यहाँ पर डायामीटर 1 दिया है तो उसका रेडियस फाइंड करने का फॉर्मूला है हमारे पास r is equal to d upon 2, so it will be 1 upon 2 means half. So put this 1 upon 2 का whole square करेंगे, it will be pi into 1 upon 4 means pi upon 4 can be set. Okay. On the other hand, you found both of the values, आपके पास n नंबर भी आ गए और m के रिजल्ट्स, फेवरेबल रिजल्ट भी आ गए और टोटल आउटकम भी आ गए. Now what to do? Put these both of things into the formula. Your probability of a die is m upon n. So m upon n भी लिख सकते हैं और you can write also favorable results of an event divided by total results of an experiment या total outcomes of an experiment can also be drawn like that. आपके पास m की वैल्यू कितनी है, pi upon 4. There it is pi, this is your pi upon 4. m is there, n कितना है, only 6 is given. Found? Put the value now. So what is to be done? So pi upon 4 is a numerator and denominator value given to you, but there is no deno in the value of 6. So when we have to cross multiply, the deno will go on the numerator side and numerator will come at the denominator side. You can see over here. So pi upon 4 will remain same, while 6 upon 1 is to be converted into 1 upon 6. Now it's time to cancelling, but you can see there is no data to cancel out. So what we have done, pi 1 is pi and 6 4 is 24. If you do this till this one, your answer will be right. But as we know that pi has a value that is 22 upon 7, right? So in place of pi, we put 22 upon 7. Again the same thing is repeated once again. 22 के डिवाइड में 7 है, लेकिन 24 के डिवाइड में कुछ नहीं है. If there is nothing, there will be 1. So when I convert this fraction into multiplications, then you will see आपका जो न्यूमरेटर है वो डेनो हो जाएगा, जो डेनो हो क्या हो जाएगा, न्यूमरेटर हो जाएगा. 22 upon 7 will remain same, while this is 24 upon 1. But when we convert in divisible value into multiplical value, then 1 will come on the upper side, numerator side. So 1 upon 24. After doing multiplication, we will find answer 0.13. So 0.13 is the probability of getting the die thrown into the circle. Now 0.13 is a very low probability. As we know that total probability of an event is total 1. If we are getting only 0.13 means very less probability we are getting of. ठीक है फ्रेंड्स, आई होप आप लोगों को ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा, आपको लाइक आया होगा. अगर वीडियो पसंद आया तो लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और हाँ, बेल आइकॉन बटन दबाना ना भूलिएगा, सो दैट नेक्स्ट वीडियो जैसे अपलोड करूँ आपको तुरंत उसकी नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिल जाए. फ्रेंड्स, अगला वीडियो लेके आऊँ, तब तक आप घर पे रहिए, सेफ रहिए, स्टे सेफ एंड स्टे होम. टिल देन, गुड बाय.